Hello, so welcome to section F already. We will talk about some more quartone soloing concepts, and we're in section F. So this is part one. So we're dealing with 4 bars of music here. So this 4 bars. So E flat major 7. All right, and then B flat on D, C minor 7. So these are in B flat major collectively. So we're playing in the key center, and this D, and the key center is B flat. And again, we have some harmonic devices that we can utilize in our solo. So the first one that I would like to look at is let's just look at the first chord. The first device is the E flat major arpeggio. So E flat in this case is actually the 4 major of B flat major. So B flat 1, 2, 3, 4. So the fourth note is the E flat, and if you play the diatonic chord here, E flat major, it is the 4 major chord. So you have an arpeggio here. Let me show you the basic form. So you have the second finger, the first finger on the G, so second finger on the 6th fret, E flat, on the A string, the G note, and then on the 5th fret of the D, B flat, the 8th fret on the D string, so D natural, 7th fret on G string is the major 7. And then the E flat again. So let's get that much for now. Again, we can embellish the root. So one pattern that I particularly favor is this one. Very musical. So what you can do is actually you can put your 3rd finger and then pull off, slide, hammer on, okay, like that. A slide here again to make it sound smooth. And you can play a few notes from a scale, from the B flat major scale. So we're on E flat here, so you can play the F, G, B flat, C. You can end on a G, which is very nice because it's actually a quartone of E flat major. So something like that. All right. So that's our first device. Secondly, you can use the B flat major arpeggio, obviously, since we're in B flat major. So again, a very similar pattern here. You have the B flat, the root here. So you can put your 3rd finger on the C, pull off to the B flat, and then hit the A. So slide there, slide, and then do a hammer on here. And then do a hammer on again. So it's pretty much it's exactly the same pattern. It's just that I'm doing it on the 6th string, and it's in B flat now. Pick, 2 picks, pick, 2 pick. So down, up, and then do a slide. But we do have some advantage here. We have one more octave here actually, so you can play the B flat here with the pinky, the D, the F, the A, and you can also play the 9 here, the C. So for this pattern, you can actually do something like this. So I'm just looking at the arpeggio or the chord actually. And then I surround the root with neighbor tones. Do a sweep like that. Alright. And you can do this kind of thing again. Alright. Very jazzy kind of sounding. Alright. So let me recap the for you the B flat major arpeggio. All right. So that's another device that you can use. All right, another device we can use is actually a scale, the B flat blues scale. So we are pretty much in a major tonality here, and in fusion kind of context, we often blend different flavors of music into one song. So you can actually hit the B flat blues. So the position that we'll be doing is the ninth position. So my third finger is actually on the 11th fret. So my first finger is on the third fret, on the ninth fret. So the lick is you can do the 11th, the B flat on the B, and then the ninth fret. Do a slide to the third D, and then pick, one more pick. All right. Slide up, down, up. And then use your second finger to play the B flat again. And the reason we can do it is we are not staying on the really dissonant tones for a very long time. So in this case, since we're over a B flat major tonality, this one is not really diatonic, but as long as we don't stay here, we go to D, which is the major third, we will be good. So in the solos that you will be learning, you will encounter some of these lines as well. So we'll see them again later on. So this is a very famous blues line played by B.B. King. So another position that I would like to do it quite often is so what I'm doing here is I have the F, and then I play the E flat here. So I prepare to roll to the B flat. It's really just like a B flat sus chord. So you have the if you have the B flat triad here, you can play the E flat here with the pinky. But I'm now in a soloing mode, so I do it like that. I resolve to the third. I do another roll here. B flat to F, so X fret on the D and low A. You can hit the E flat here as well as a to connect. And then so this one again. So this one is very bluesy, but don't stay here. Go to the D and hit the B flat again. Again, we'll encounter this line in one of the solos, so don't worry about it. We will be looking at it again. So, alright. That's it for bar 38 to 41. And get everything down, and I will see you in the next video.